BovINE was set up over 3 years ago to address the sustainability challenges facing the beef sector. We know that farmers are already doing a lot to address the challenges. We know that a lot of research has been done. So what BovINE did was provided a framework by which we could identify what has already been done across Europe that could be translated across geographies, what has already been done in research that needs to be put into practice. But I suppose the unique thing about BovINE is that we asked farmers what do they need? What do they need to address their sustainability challenges?
Tu agricultor y ganadero lo que quiere es cubrir gastos y tener un poco de poder sacarte tu propio sueldo. Hoy en día, con la subida de precios, los ganaderos lo que pedimos es que los costes de producción los podamos repercutir en el precio del ganado.
Ante esta problemática que tiene el sector, lo que hemos buscado es soluciones reales, buenas prácticas que ya están aplicadas en distintas explotaciones dentro del sector. Y lo que nosotros hemos hecho es elegir algunas de esas investigaciones y hacer una demostración a nivel granja, para ver si se pueden aplicar o no, pueden resolver una problemática puntual.
So, in total, we've addressed 24 needs across the 3 years of the project. And all the solutions to all of those needs have been documented in the BovINE Knowledge Hub and are available for farmers, advisors, policy makers, people involved in the supply chain, people involved in the wider sector to use freely.